Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about our Sunday webinar. As you all know, I have planned to conduct webinar coming Sunday, that is 8th August 2021. Why I am going to conduct a webinar for our KSLU students means it is very important that we have to improve our skills, knowledge, subject knowledge, practical knowledge, theoretical knowledge. It is very important to update ourselves knowledge. Knowledge is wealth. Without that knowledge, we cannot do anything. So that is the reason I have planned to conduct a webinar. Why I have conducted webinar means in our KSLE students, many of the students are facing so many problems, so many kind of confusions they have at present. Maybe KSLU going to conduct examinations, whether earlier year how they have promoted like that this year it is there or not. Our students have confusions. We need to clarify that confusions as well interactive sessions with our students. In this webinar, there will be a senior students also available. They can share their thoughts, views, many things we can share our knowledge. Inter exchange of our knowledge, it is very important. And whenever get this kind of opportunity, please utilize it because this is the platform where we can improve our communication skills as well. We can improve our public communication skills. Many of them are not coming up actually. In this platform, we can come up with your ideas. You can come up with your questions. We can clarify your each questions will be clarified. In this webinar, I'm not going to explain anything about my side. I will clarify only your doubts, especially we will this platform is meant for to enhance your knowledge and we need to clarify your confusions about LLB Karnataka State Law University exams as well. We can discuss interactive sessions with our seniors also. If I not able to answer for your questions, our senior people also will be available to answer your questions. Please try to utilize this webinar. I'm going to conduct this webinar through Microsoft Team. As you all aware, Microsoft Team, you have to download it from your mobile apps like Google Play Store, or else you can Google. You have to pre-downloaded before joining or login in this webinar. I'm going to send link Saturday evening. I will send link through our WhatsApp groups. I'm sending link through YouTube channel so that you can access or login for that webinar. This webinar is very important. You can speak and you can raise your questions regarding Karnataka State Law University 3-year LLB as well 5-year LLB. We can clarify your doubts of each questions. We can clarify it. There will be no discussion about our subjects. Means first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, fifth semester, sixth semester, whatever, whichever. We will not discuss about subject. We will discuss about practically what we are facing and what can we do and what is your doubts will clarify each doubts in this platform. So I am requesting you all, please note down your questions, open up your mouth, whether it could be in Kannada or whether it could be in English, whether it could be Hindi. We can clarify your doubts with suitable language. Kannada I know, Hindi I know, English I know. In these three languages, we can speak about your answers, questions, answers. So it is very important. Please enhance your knowledge and please enhance your communication skills. For advocate is required public speaking skills. Through these webinars, if you attend this kind of webinars, you can able to improve your communication skills. You can open up your mouth whenever you get opportunity. This kind of, please utilize it. Self improvement is very important. Without self improvement, we cannot come up in our life. Life is not easy. This is the competitive world. We should compete in each aspects. Without that, we cannot able to achieve anything in our life. Every day we have to struggle to reach our goal. It is very important that we have to keep one big goal in our life. For that we have to achieve each and every day, we have to achieve, and we have to struggle for that to achieve that goal. So where our LLB students are lacking, I'm going to tell on that day in the webinar, and even we can discuss, we can interact with each other, all relevant about LLB. So this platform will give you the clarity about your course and the future career opportunities in LLB. That also we can be able to discuss, and we can able to discuss how to improve our public communication skills for especially for an advocate, and uh, we can discuss about how to prepare for our upcoming examinations to be conducted by Karnataka State Law University. That also we can discuss with each other. This is a very interactive sessions. We can discuss each other so that all KSLU students can get benefit in this platform. So my request is to please join. I'm going to conduct this Sunday, 8th August 2021 by 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. There will be a 2 hours continuously. We can speak, we can interact each other. I will tell how need to attend that webinar and what are all the relevant questions should be asked. Please be avoid irrelevant questions beyond from our LLP. So that is what I'm confirming in this video. We are a professional. We have to act like a professionals. So the unwanted questions or any kind of unwanted irrelevant questions, please don't ask. Please ask your relevant questions. Definitely we can clarify your doubts or questions in this webinar. So I hope you will be join this webinar and to be a success, especially I would like to thank actively participating myself and all of our friends also in this webinar. And even though this YouTube channel has created a good platform to deliver thoughts, we can deliver our ideas, views, etc. So it is very important to utilize our knowledge in a best manner. Thank you.